Social conflict theory is a Marxist-based social theory which argues that individuals and groups within society have differing amounts of material and non-material resources and that the more consider paying rent towards housing. The conflict theorist argues that this relationship is unequal and favors the owners. Renters may pay rent for 50 years and still gain absolutely no right or economic interest with the property. It is this type of relationship which the conflict theorist will use to show that social relationships are about power and exploitation. Padgitt continues, Marx argued that through a dialectic process, social evolution was directed by the result of class conflict. Marxism argues that human history is all about this conflict, a result of the strong rich exploiting the poor weak. From such a perspective, money is made through the exploitation of the worker. It is argued thus, that in order for a factory owner to make money, he must pay his workers less than they deserve. Thus, the social conflict theory states that groups within a capitalist society tend to interact in a destructive way, that allows no mutual benefit and little cooperation. The solution Marxism proposes to this problem is that of a workers' revolution to break the political and economic domination of the capitalist class with the aim of reorganizing society along the lines of collective ownership and mass democratic control. Social conflict theories. According to Karl Marx, in all stratified societies there are two major social groups, a ruling class and a subject class. The ruling class derives its power from its ownership and control of the forces of production. The ruling class exploits and oppresses the subject class. As a result, there is a basic conflict of interest between the two classes. The various institutions of society such as the legal and political system are instruments of ruling class domination and serve to further its interests. Marx believed that Western society developed through four main epochs: a Euro-primitive communism, ancient society, feudal society and capitalist society. Primitive communism is represented by the societies of prehistory and provides the only example of the classless society. From then all societies are divided into two major classes: a Euro-master and slaves in ancient society, lords and serfs in feudal society and capitalist and wage laborers in capitalist society. Weber sees class in economic terms. He argues that classes develop in market economies in which individuals compete for economic gain. He defines a class as a group of individuals who share a similar position in market economy and by virtue of that fact receive similar economic rewards. Thus a person's class situation is basically his market situation. Those who share a similar class situation also share similar life chances. Their economic position will directly affect their chances of obtaining the things defined as desirable in their society. See also, Identity Politics, References. Marx, Karl 1971. Preface to A Contribution to the Critique of Political Economy, TRSW Rianzanskaya, edited by M. Dobb. London, Lawrence and Wishart. Skocpol, Theodore. 1980. States and Social Revolutions, A Comparative Analysis of France, Russia, and China. New York, Cambridge University Press. Wallerstein, Emmanuel M. 1974. The Modern World System, Capitalist Agriculture and the Origins of the European World Economy in the 16th Century. New York, Academic Press. 1980. The Modern World System II, Mercantilism and the Consolidation of the European World Economy, 1600 to 1750. New York, Academic Press. External links, Understanding Conflict and WAR, Volume 2, The Conflict Helix by J. Rummel, Critical Theory.